Welcome to our comparison of two compact washing machines. Today, we will take a closer look at the Ereeves Compact Mini Twin Tub and the Nixod Portable Washing Machine. Both of these machines are designed for small spaces, but they have unique features that cater to different needs. Let's dive into the details and see which one comes out on top. When it comes to washing capacity, the Ereeves Compact Mini Twin Tub offers a significant advantage with its 20 pounds washing capacity, allowing you to wash larger loads at once. In contrast, the Nixod Portable Washing Machine has a capacity of 15 liters, which is suitable for smaller items like underwear and baby clothes. This difference makes the Ereeves a better option for users who need to wash more at once, while the Nixod is ideal for those with lighter laundry needs. The design of these two machines is quite different. The Ereeves features a twin tub design, which allows for simultaneous washing and spinning, making it more efficient for users who need to do laundry quickly. On the other hand, the Nixod Portable Washing Machine boasts a folding design, which makes it extremely portable and easy to store. This design is perfect for those who have limited space or need a washing machine that can be easily transported. In terms of additional features, the Ereeves Compact Mini Twin Tub comes with a drying rack and hangers, which adds convenience for users who want to dry their clothes right after washing. Meanwhile, the Nixod Portable Washing Machine includes a spin basket, which is great for quickly drying small items. Each machine has its unique advantages, making them suitable for different laundry needs. In conclusion, both the Ereeves Compact Mini Twin Tub and the Nixod Portable Washing Machine have their strengths and weaknesses. The Ereeves is perfect for those who need a larger capacity and additional features, while the Nixod is ideal for users looking for portability and ease of use. We hope this comparison helped you decide which washing machine is right for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.